Hey, you got a package.
Okay.
Hey, man.
Hey man, what's up?
One of your CGC books came in.
Oh, what book is it?
It's Mephisto.
What's the grade?
I don't know. You said you wanted to be surprised.
Well, I'm gonna be surprised if it's not a 9.8. Better be a 9.8. I swear if it's not a 9.8.
It's a 1.5.
Are you kidding me?
You paid more for the grading than you paid for this book.
I threw that down the stairs, let the dog play with it, and threw it in the bush for a week, and it didn't come back a 9.8.
Do you not watch the channel? I did a whole video on this as a book you're not supposed to buy.
Well, I'm still not happy about it. I blame CGC. That can't be my fault. Stupid WandaVision.
Hey guys, as you can tell, that mail call did not go how we thought it was going to. This came back much lower than we were hoping. We were hoping for at least to get a 3.0 out of it. However, for a 1.5, it is still complete. The defect that it has up here at the top just says that a staple has been added after manufacturing, which I'm sure hurts the overall grade. You can tell that the spine has a huge split that starts from the bottom and goes almost all the way up. And then there's tons of tears and rips. So it's a rough beater copy, but it's complete and it presents well for what it is. Now, Silver Surfer 3, first appearance of Mephisto, this book has plummeted. It took a hard hit whenever it started off as being one of the biggest books of the year. I have made several videos talking about this book. As of right now, you can get this book super cheap. I wasn't able to find any sold listings for a 1.5. However, I would ballpark it at close to around $200 to $225. I would recommend for the same price point is a great copy of Tomb of Dracula #1. There's definitely more significant key issues that you can get for the same price range over this book. I would love to get your opinion on Silver Surfer 3. Is that a book that you try to pick up this year? Or is it on your want list at all? Did you flip it when it was at its height? As well as, do you think it's going to show up in the MCU? Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, stay safe and be good.